so it is 6:03 right now. I texted Kevin and Alex a few minutes ago and no one's replied to me, so I'm gonna call them. Because I did not wake up at 5:30 for nothing. This is the Maui sunrise. Nature's Juice is still better. Nature's Juice is a 5 out of 5. This is a 4 out of 5.
So, that's rude. At least not in front of the store.
Okay. 4 out of 5. Kevin?
Which is pretty good still.
3 out of 5?
3 out of 5.
Yum, not a yum, because I'm nice.
Feels good to say good morning. Good morning.
Morning, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Stranger danger. Stranger danger, don't say hi to her.
Kevin, get off the trail. We are currently at the halfway point, but everyone is dying.
Amazing.
Except for me.
Especially Kevin. Not me though. Just everyone else.
Your outfit's pretty cute, like your face.
Not her though.
No.
Not her though.
Thanks.
On Instagram.
Almost done. Yeah.
Tiffany's pregnant.
Only 2 months though. I don't know if you guys can hear this, but there's like a rattling in the bushes.
Got it.
We made it 5 miles.
We're not there yet.
Wait, what time is it? I think it's like 12. I think that took 4 hours.
It is 10:48.
But we made
It's 10:48. We took like 2 and a
less
half.
than 3 hours. Felt like a lifetime. But we made it. In your face, Kevin.
I'm not impressed. That was a pretty mild hike.
Like a minute ago, he said he was impressed.
No, I wasn't impressed.
He said I'm impressed you lasted 5 miles.
Take this. Where's the restroom again?
It's that way.
We made it. Back home.
How do you feel?
Amazing! So usually after hiking or staying outdoors, I usually like to check for any tan lines to see if I got darker anywhere. Because usually I don't wear sunscreen except on my face. I always put sunscreen on my face. But yeah, so today I forgot to put any sunscreen on my chest, neck area. So now this part is like all red. Not appealing. So we're trying to eat at Octopus as much as we can until I quit in 2 weeks. We just ate and drank at Octopus. I don't think we ordered a lot, but everyone else thought we ordered a lot, so then I didn't eat a lot.